idiot.
You are the fool.
As long as you laugh, Likkle is cool.
What that you hide?
Hide. How for me not hide nothing?
Really now? You see that the ugly face there? Me know whenever that the ugly face they are lying. And you hear it down in my back? Them know say a lie I tell you now. So why in the bucket?
The bucket? Which bucket you talk about?
So what that you lean down pan?
Lean down pan. Bucket where me a lean down pan?
You take man for idiot? Not me a talk.
Oh, you mean that the bucket there?
Yes, that the bucket there. Why in there?
No man, you can't do that, you can't open it.
Why?
Cause me just one pretty bird. The bird, prettiest thing.
What is that? Bird? Come and see it.
No man, the bird will fly away.
No man, just one peak.
No man, you can't see the bird, you don't see say it will fly away.
Well, me nah left until me see the bird.
Alright. Whatever you do, don't move.
No man, me nah move.
You go on Master John.
Yeah,
Master John here.
yeah.
And go on bird cage. I want to take the bird cage. We can put the bird in the cage. Here.
Yeah.
But make sure you not to get off
Me nah let go.
with two hands.
Too hard.
Two hands.
Too hard. Yeah, man. I gotta take a peek on the bird.
Huh?
Me never tell you, no matter what, don't bucket. Not even a peep.
Alright. I promise. Me nah lift the bucket, none at all.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, man. 30 minutes now, me a wait for him. And I'll know him can't come. All I want to do is see bird, you know. I should take one little peep, you know. But no. I don't want the bird fly away. But I just want a little peep now. Bird fly away, I'm going to cuss me. You know what? It might take too long to come in now. I'm going to take a bird for myself. Alright. I go lift up my bucket a little bit and grab the bird. Jesus Christ! We squeeze this all time. Me nah make you go 2 years. No, make you 2 years.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Likkle with you.